Are you frustrated knowing that your production or assembly line doesn't have a quality control system to ensure products are labelled correctly? Or if they are readable or present at all? Do you ever think about the financial implications or damage to reputation you risk if things go wrong? Well, we understand your pain, and we have a simple and cost-effective solution. We are proud to introduce the Intermax iCheck Validator. The iCheck Validator comes in a conventional pre-wired kit with everything you need to quickly and easily install this solution to your conveyor or assembly line. With the click of a switch, the iCheck Validator is placed in Learn mode. It memorises the barcode presented. From this point on, every product passing the validator is tested to ensure that the barcode is present, it's readable, and more importantly, it's the correct code. If a product is presented that is missing its code, or it's not readable, or it's the wrong code, the iCheck will sound an alarm, flash a warning light, and if required, it can stop your conveyor or perform many other tasks with its switched outputs. With scan speeds of 60 frames a second, it can handle fast production runs, and it is the perfect solution to fulfill your barcode validation needs. Check out our solution page for more information at intermax.com.au.